Alright, my quick tip of the day. So, often on machines, specifically these turf machines, you get a lot of hydraulic leaks. And especially this time of the year in the winter, when machines are sitting, the lines are going to start cracking. And when you go to fire them up and use them, you're going to notice that you have a lot of leaks on your machines that you didn't have before. And you're going to drive yourself crazy trying to pinpoint all these leaks and where they're coming from. So, a small technique that I learned when I was a kid working on machines with my brothers. It's real simple. Here's what I got. Got a big leak on the ground here. You don't see it here because the machine was parked somewhere else, but I pulled it in. And I took some air, and it was coming from the wheel motors down there. Well, at least I think it is. So you see all the white stuff? That's not snow. But I took an airline and I blew everything off there, got them dry, and I covered them with baby powder. So I got it on the wheel motor there, and I got it on the lift cylinder. Same thing on that side. Because I got a leak on both sides, and I'm not sure where exactly it's coming from. But now with the baby powder on there, wherever it does leak from, you will see a trail going down the powder, and you will be able to trace exactly where the leak's coming from. Alright, so it's been about maybe 45 minutes. I put the machine up in the air, and I actually engaged the reels up and down, and I engaged the wheel motors to get them spinning. So it looks like this. I have it hoisted up in the air here, so I was able to actually sit on the machine and get those wheels spinning to see if that fluid was going to drip out. And then I raised and lowered the reels with the stick there to see where it was coming from. Now, over here we still have no leaks. Alright, but over here, if you look closely now in the baby powder, right back there, I'll try to get in there. See if I can turn the light on this phone. There we go. See down there? It's leaking in the baby powder. Now that would have been hard to see without the powder. And what happens is, it'll drip down the back and drop from the bottom, which gave the impression that it was actually coming from the wheel motor. Now, had I not traced that, that would have been close to about $700 to replace that wheel motor, because that was my original thought. It was coming from there. But it's not. So, the good old baby powder trick certainly helps you find those leaks. Now, the reason I thought it was coming from that side, because there was a big puddle, I thought it was coming from over here also, but it probably just dripped down onto the roller and made its way down to the other side and created a puddle. So it wasn't coming from the other side also. But it's a good trick. Get some baby powder for your leaks, and it'll help you really track exactly where the leak is coming from. Alright, hope this helped. Don't forget, hit subscribe, hit like. See you next time.